Welcome to another unit in this Excel course. This time I'm going to talk about how we can access the weekday of a specific date or the corresponding calendar week. Well, for this we first need a specific date, so let's take today's date. That's here the 17th of April. And if I want to know which day of the week this is, I can use the function weekday. So here I need to enter some kind of date, like here today's date, and I could directly close this. Then the answer would be 6. Okay, what does this 6 actually mean? That's what I can find out if I not only insert the number here, but go to the second part, the return type. And here he tells me the default, that's the first version here, that is numbering from Sunday till Saturday. So 1 would be a Sunday, 2 a Monday, 3 a Tuesday, so forth. And therefore I got a 6, so today we have a Friday. Well, if I want to change this, because in most days the week starts on Monday and not on Sunday, I could enter a 2 here. Meaning 1 means Monday, 7 means Sunday. So this would give us the Friday as a 5. So in this case, I only get 5, 1, 2, 3, stuff like this. I won't get like Friday, Saturday, stuff like this. However, this gives me a good idea how I can display for certain dates the corresponding weekday. And well, this is one part. The other part would be I can also find out which week in this year it is. So I can find out the calendar week. And if I use Excel for this, I'm not using weekday, but week number or week num. Here again, I need to enter serial number, means the date. And if I enter the return type, again, I can decide when does my week begin. Does this begin on Sunday, Monday, or in other types? So here I again going to switch to 2, because, well, where I'm from, our week starts on Monday. This will tell me this date is actually in the 16th calendar week. So it's in the 16th calendar week on a Friday. Well, that's already all I wanted to tell you in this unit. So you can see more on Excel in the rest of this course, or if you take a look at the corresponding playlist. And I say goodbye. See you next time.